get the tools.
Get him, boys. Sick him up. Holy shit. You broke the door, man.
Slow-mo.
Oh. No!
Slow-mo.
Slow-mo. I'm putting you over here. Yes!
Hell yeah. Oh, give me a shovel. Give me, I want to smash into that.
Johnny?
Shit. It bounced up and hit me in the elbow.
Oh. Okay, we got a noise complaint from the neighbors.
It's like a machine gun. I could do it to work.
We're here to assess the damage.
Okay, so... What the fuck? Holy shit. This fucking thing is unscathed.
Damage to microwave. Considering it burnt my ramen noodles, I'd have to say this damage is about like a 8.5 out of 10. What do you say?
I'll get a 9. The microwave is not obliterated, but bro, look at this part. That's the part where stuff goes in, bro.
Damn.
Also,
Flip it to the other side. Flip it to the other side. That's some decent damage.
Yeah.
I'm giving that an 8.5.
Pieces left on the floor.
Yeah, this thing is like Vietnam.
Now the damage to the hammer, though.
The hammer's more damaged than the actual microwave.
Look at that, bro.
Oh yeah. Well, you can't forget about the dish either.
Oh yeah, that dish. Bro, look at this hammer. Look how much
It just
damage
broke in
the
half
hammer
again.
did. The hammer's completely gone.
Jesus Christ.
This piece is gone.
Well, I mean, damage to microwave like an 8.5 out of 10. Damage to hammer 10 out of 10. All right, well, guys, Slendy, run!